Everyone, back at it again, with your boy Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Tell your friends, family, slimes to please subscribe. We're probably going to drop a lot of videos next week, so please stay tuned. And today we're reacting to SOS Ninyile, SA Hip Hop Diss. This has been causing waves on the streets, so without wasting any more time, no intro song this time. We're getting straight into it. Hit him up instrumental. No. I had to pause it there. This is hilarious as fuck. Heaven. Questa o rapping at regress. Ka opikileyo. A regress on a diet, man. A regress on a diet. I just do SOS. My guy. Jan is this guy. I'm Jan from Rivik, but Jan is this guy. Okay. I am hot, as you are not J. Cole. He's multilingual. In the trash. You are lucky because you do piano. This is not over. Hey, clap your hands when you see because. Clap your hands when you see because. Hide your girl when you see because. Hide your girl when you see because. Hit them up. Yeah, and in Fumene boys. Boys are poisoned. They call me 10 pack because I'm 5 times better than the Pope. Oh, that's a bar. I don't know if it's a great bar, but it's still a bar. They say they call him 10 Park because it's 5 times better than Tupac. So 2 times 5, that's 10. Math bars. Okay. Because clap your hands when you see because clap your hands when you see because let me see impundu because there's the best I'm running 2021 right now. I'm on fire. The Tupac fit though, the Tupac fit. What the fuck do you guys have me watching? This is like AY Poyo was a South Africa. That's exactly the same the same vibe I got from it. If you don't know AY Poyo, it's a guy who sang the I'm the GOAT, I'm the good man, that guy. But this was hilarious, enjoyable. Yeah. It's a Jan this side. It's a Jan, man. And the balls to go after everyone. But that Aries is up a baby girl like. Really? So, thank you guys for watching. This is your boy, Dyan'van. Please subscribe. See you next time.